That very wonderful question. I always believe that there is no such perfect answer towards a certain perfect question. But I always believe that if I will let my heart speaks more than my mouth, that is the perfect answer or the best answer that I can give towards that question. I believe that I can use my reign in this community for us to be able to change the perspective about the LGBTQ plus community simply by promoting my advocacy, which is the anti-discrimination bill against sexual orientation and gender identity expression. I always believe that we gays experience discrimination, bullying, criticisms among other people because of our gender identity. Maraming tao ang nangmamata sa amin. Maraming tao ang nagsasabing salot kami sa lipunan. Pero patuloy naming pinatutunayan na kami ay may silbi at kami ay parte ng lipunan ito. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow judges that is here tonight, I always believe that we gays are not totally accepted here in the society, but we are only tolerated. Why do I say so? Because if we are fully accepted, then we are protected by what we call our law, and that is the anti-discrimination bill against sexual orientation and gender identity expression, or so commonly called the SOGI bill. Always remember sa mga taong naririto ngayong gabi na nangmamata ng tatas ng kilay para sa amin, mga bakla, hanggat patuloy tayong nakatungtong sa mga lupa, pare-parehas, pantay-pantay tayo sa mata ng tao.